Let's make kidney beans, also known as Rajma. Start with 1 cup of beans, which we will wash for 3 to 4 times. Add water and soak it for overnight. We have to throw this water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 black cardamom. For 1 cup of beans, add 2.5 cup of water. Keep it on high heat for 7 to 8 whistles. For masala, you will need 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, 2.5 tomatoes and 2 green chilies. We will use a mixer grinder jar for all of these ingredients. And for the onions, we will finely chop them into small pieces. Turn off your heat after 8 whistles. Make a fine puree from all of these ingredients. Check if your beans are cooked properly. Start with 1 spoon of desi ghee. You can also replace it with any cooking oil. Add 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add your onions. Just to speed up the cooking process, you can cover these onions. Once your onions are translucent, add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of spicy red chili, add some water and mix it. To make the onions soft, we will cover it again. Cook for around 10 minutes and then add your tomato puree. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili for the red color. Cover your tomatoes and let it cook until all of its water is evaporated. Keep checking after every few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of mango powder, also known as amchur, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, also known as kali mirch. Mix all of your spices and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's time to add our beans now. You can adjust the quantity of water as per your liking. Cover it and let it cook so that everything gets mixed properly. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can check the salt at this stage and add more if required. This is optional, but if you have it, add a pinch of ginger powder, also known as saunt powder. Keep it on heat for longer if you need thicker gravy. You can add fresh cilantro for the garnishing. And here you go guys, your Rajma is ready to be enjoyed. Serve them with fresh roti or rice and let me know which recipe would you like to see next. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.